What's up, everybody? EG team. I just got off work, so excuse my attire, but I just got a package in the mail from the GOAT app. I ordered me some shoes that I couldn't find online because they was all sold out. We're gonna see what GOAT app really about. So let's see how they look. See that? Got some packages here. All right. The box. Nothing else in the box. They got their little GOAT symbol on the tape right there. And this is not a sponsored video. Not a sponsored video. Spent my own money on this. Put out the way. Alright, so this is the box. Quality is cool. I got the NMD CS1 Adidas in the clear orange color. See, our goal is to be the most trusted marketplace for sneakers. Saying who made sure they were okay and real and authentic. Then that's their logo. Let's see these shoes. I've never seen my face. I've never seen these shoes in person. I was online and I saw them. I never seen no videos on YouTube about it. I searched, so I might be the first video to show this colorway. And we're gonna see what they're all about. I never had these shoes before either. So let's see. Oh snap. Okay. Wow. These actually a little nice though. So they're a lot tanner than I thought from the pictures, because like I said, I only seen pictures. These are actually wavy. Wow. Wow, so that's the shoe, guys. It's their sock shoe. But that's not what they're calling it. I think they call it sock. I'm not sure. I'm not a shoe head, so don't come for me. But yeah, that little touch of color right there. That little orange, kind of like sherbet looking color got me on the shoe. I love a little pink something, orange something. And they got that little stability for the foot with, I think, the branding numbers on the side. See this shoe right here. And that's the other one. They look wavy, I'm not even gonna lie. They give you that sock, futuristic shoe feel, like Balenciaga and stuff like that. These retail for $180 and they're on sale. They were on sale on the Adidas website for $130, I believe, but they were all sold out, so I had to go on GOAT. Shout out to GOAT. They got the boost technology in there. They just look really dope. So I'm gonna try these on and see how they feel, because I don't know if this might be my size. I got an 8.5, and a lot of people said the size down. So I'll be back with that clip. Y'all, so there you have it, the orange clear Adidas NMD CS1s. These shoes are actually, I think, my new favorite shoes. Like, they are so, I mean, I haven't even worn them, but I can tell these are gonna be so comfortable. Just some sliding shoes, you don't have to worry about tying up. They look really dope, really futuristic. They kind of give you, like I said, the Balenciaga vibes, and also this little part right here reminds me a lot of the like Yeezys, because you know they have that side right there. It's just like a whole dope shoe. The color, this color is like really nice and clean. Just a little pop of color right here, and that's it. Nothing on the bottom. It's just all tan right there, and then you have your boost all on the sole. I never had a shoe like this. Never had a sock kind of shoe. It's really, really a dope shoe. I would recommend getting some if you can find some. Shout out to GOAT for hooking me up with these shoes, because like I said, they are all sold out in my size, which is 8.5. And as for the fit, I would say they're pretty good. I got an 8.5. That's true to size for me. A lot of people get a little one size down in these so they can be tighter. But for me, I wouldn't say I have a wide foot, but I like a little wiggle room in my toe. But if you wanted to be a little bit tighter, I wouldn't, you know, get true to size. I would get down. But I feel like it's really dope. And then here on the ankle is very tight. So it's not like, I don't feel like this shoe would lose its shape, if that makes sense. I love it. So yeah, that's my little unboxing and first hands-on review of the NMD CS1's clear orange. If you are a female and you're looking to pick these up, I mean, go ahead and flex on them one time. Even a dude I feel could rock this colorway. So it's your girl LJG, EG team. Thanks for rocking out with me. And if you like this video and you want to see more shoes, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to, you know, share this video, because I haven't seen nobody review this colorway, go ahead and hit that share button. Until next time, see you.